This drawing you're about to see here took me 150 hours. If this is your first time coming across this channel, subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more. I'm doing this tutorial basically for the upcoming artists. Some of you that have been coming to my DM, been asking me how I do my drawing or painting. This is for you. Watch this to the end as I take you to the tutorial. You can comment, share, and tell me what you think of it. If I have anyone that is interested in learning drawing or painting, this is the right place. So let's go there. So after getting all my pastel, after sketching the reference picture, then I start applying the colors. This is the pastel I use with the charcoal pencil. So after getting the face, using different tones of color to get the skin tone, start putting the face and trying to get the resemblance. Then I start the treatment of the clothes. So I'm working on. Instead, it's really patient. And for some of you are just coming up as young artists, one thing I can tell you about art is about patience. I remember when I started it, it's given me a lot of time. Some drawing I spent one drawing I spent weeks trying to get it. If I didn't get it, I won't have rest of mind. But this type of drawing we see here today, it don't really take me time to do it like this, as you can see. So after putting on the clothes, go back to the highlights. After I use red and get the inside one, try to get the lighter, the purple color, trying to highlight and get the effect in the clothes. So it's about practice. When you determine and have a focus, you can go anywhere. Sometimes I sit back and be thinking, wow, is it really me that do this artwork? There's once somebody comment on my drawing later on that, bro, this is not real, I'm fake, this is printed work, your work look like a photograph. Or like, wow. So for me, I didn't even think like I've gone to that far with somebody be comparing my drawing to a real picture. So was really impressed, but I keep working, trying to give my best to my customer, to my clients, stuff like that. So I always have time trying to, while I'm working, I always focus and I determine that this is what I get. So basically, some of the thing that you still need to know about this drawing thing is when you have a reference or any object that you want to draw, first of all, you need to study it. It's like you are giving an exam and you are giving a topic that this is where your results, where is your exam is going to come off from. Actually, sometimes you didn't know. So all you have to do is you need to cover the book. Or yes, you have to read and understand everything there, so that when the results comes, when the exam comes, you can know what to write. So same thing apply to drawing. So when you have a reference that you want to draw, first of all, you need a break. You need to study it, look at the features, you study it carefully. As you're looking at it, everything is stowing into your head. So that is why some are very good in imagination. They imagine because what they see is already stored in their brain. It's not let the hand, the brain now translates the image to your hand, and then you continue to form that which it is in your head. So to me, that is how I understand it, and that is how I do it. So this you can see, we're almost done with this drawing. I think we're having a perfect portrait out here. It's very clean and nice. I love it. As you can see, the reference on the picture that I hold in my hand. So that is about the drawing, as you can see in the picture. Now I'm just trying to drop the detailing. So to me, I can use any materials of my choice. Sometimes I try to create my own material that will suit my artwork. You understand? So I don't basically depend on things that I'll buy in the market. Sometimes I go and I don't see it, so I have to come and create something that will suit my working style. So most of the drawings, some of them I create them by myself, so I'll make it suit my artwork. So it's kind of encouraging advice that don't really depend on things you see in the market. You are artist, you are a creative artist. So we are come to the end of the class. See you in my next video. I love you. Thank you. Much love.